Hey y'all, I'm leaving Village Tactical. There's a place right there. I picked up something that I'm excited to show you guys. It's gonna be a little unboxing review. And there's the box. Oh, what was it? We'll just have to wait and see. Alright y'all. Alright, so I'm back home. And that's the box. Okay, so you can see it's got like an R and a J on it. Oh, let's check out this thing. Alright, so this is the true Swift Edge replaceable blade knife. Let's check this out. This thing was pretty cool. And then we'll get to the meat and potatoes. Got my 1791 leather mat and EDC tray so I don't mess up my wife's beautiful table. Alright, so this is the knife. Little Tonto blade. See that? And not only is this the blade, awesome. Alright, so you can have this blade, or we can swap out for this blade. And this blade. Or a saw blade. Isn't that cool? Let's stick this back in. Make sure I don't cut myself. There we go. And I hit lock. Now it's locked in. Heck yeah. Let's check the flip. Oh yeah. So this is by True Blades. You can see that. And it feels like it's good balance. So that's that knife. And it also comes with this little box you put the blades into. Let me go ahead and do that. So I got this thing right here. Take this, put that in there. Cat, get out of here. Move, copper, go, go. There. Nice. And it's by True. But wait, there's more. So it came with one Tonto, 2 drop points, and then 1 saw, and then 1 carrying thing. So get that out of the way. This next knife, I'm gonna sit down. My back's hurting. This next knife, sorry, bear with me here. This next knife, I like it a lot. Bam, another True blade. Another True knife. This one is pretty cool. Get it out of the box. This thing is meaty. Look at that thing. That is awesome. I like it. I'm gonna look for any excuse to use this. Like, oh what? Cooking dinner? Let me use my knife. Heck yeah, this thing is stout. I like that, like almost like a cleaver. Let me see what kind of blade this is. It's called the MAR. M-A-A-R. The MAR. Assertive, bold, uncompromising. The M-A-R-R succeeds where compact minimalist knives fall short and promises to generate a fair amount of knife envy as you confidently cut, slice, and chop your way through daily tasks. The sturdy D2 steel concave shape of the knife is a nod to its namesake, the volcanic crater-like Mar landform produced by Mother Nature's intense heat and strength. Nice. Take a firm grip. So yeah, we got the Mar. Got a little clip right here. And just be like, bam! I like this feel. I feel like I can just chop. It's a chopper. I like it. I'm definitely gonna be carrying this. Stick that in my EDC tray. I want this magnet. There's a piece of metal in there. There it is, right there. Alright, get out of here, kitty cat. Alright, now, what you've all been waiting for. Bum-ba-da-da. Bam. You know what this is? It's not a 9mm, it's 45. This is the Just Right Carbines, model JR carbine multi-caliber. So it is 45 ACP. And what is unique about it, it is ambidextrous like nobody's business. So this ejection port right here, there's a plate on this side. You can actually take off that plate and stick it on here. And you can actually take the charging handle, unscrew it, and screw it in on this side and make it for left-handed shooters. So they're not getting blasted in the face by the empty shells. And it's a threaded barrel, 16-inch threaded barrel. Adjustable. It's kind of stiff right now. There we go. Adjustable buttstock. There we go. And it takes Glock mags, 45 ACP Glock mags. Pretty cool. So we'll be going to the range with this one for sure. I don't think it's got a last round bolt because the bolt just slips into this groove right here. But I definitely like it. And you got your safe fire, just like normal AR controls. Where's that 9? Here we go. Should I use this one for that? Cut this off. Hold still. Oh, that sliced through like butter. Oh my gosh. This is sharp. This is sharp. There's like literally zero resistance from cutting that. I had to double check, make sure I cut it. Let me get an optic for this thing. What kind of optic should I put on here? I mean, it's 45, so probably just either just a red dot or flip up. Definitely not going to be, you know, any long range shooting. It's got a free float barrel. Like I said earlier, ambidextrous everything. Except for the mag release. But that's okay. I actually have a drum mag, 45 drum mag coming. Put in. Or to use, not put in. Let's see how good the trigger is. All right, so chamber's clear, nothing in the chamber. Oh wow, listen for the reset. Dang, that's like you guys see? Ready? Or maybe it should be like this. Watch how far my finger travels for the reset. That's it. Ready for the trigger pull? And it didn't, like, it barely moved. So this is going to be a real fast shooting gun. I might use this for, because I want to do competitions. This would be a great carbine for a 3-gun match. I've got, I also want to see how well it runs 45 Super. Even though it's like, it's got a bolt, it is semi-auto. And I think it is reciprocating. So make sure your hands and stuff are out of the way of this reciprocating bolt. I will know more after we go to the range. There will be a range video. And some other guns that are coming. So this is an M-lock. So M-lock down here, and your Picatinny up top. I think I'm going to, I'm not going to spoil anything. But yeah, there you have it. Just Right Carbines. This is the JR. Model JR carbine, multi-caliber, read and follow all safety instructions and warnings. And it says so it says G45 ACP, meaning it takes Glock 45 ACP magazines. And just like I said earlier, you take that plate off, put it over here on this side, unscrew this bolt, and it will go in on this side. See how it's got the same cutouts on that side? 100% ambidextrous. And I know, like, I got a few buddies that shoot left-handed, and the struggle is real. Usually what tends to happen is they basically just, you know, suck it up and shoot a right-handed gun left-handed, and they're getting popped in the face by empties. So this is definitely something that'd be great to get anybody, left-handed or right. I'm not facilitating the sale or anything like that. This is simply just a review, a look at, unboxing, my opinion, my thoughts. So far, it feels like good material. I don't have anything negative to say about it. Put that there. I think I got some. Oh, here we go. Here's the paperwork on it. Oh wow, this one looks really cool. They got a bipod on there and scope, which I don't know how far you're gonna be shooting 45 ACP. 45 Super, probably 185 grain. That's the extreme defense, extreme penetrator, where it looks like a Phillips head screwdriver. That would probably be good. All right, so what? It says do not use lead rounds, only use jacketed rounds. Oh, okay, copper jacketed. Which, I mean, that's all I've got is copper jacketed. It's saying it doesn't want lead in contact with the barrel. And also, like, that's savvy because whenever you do shoot non-jacketed bullets, lead bullets, it does get the lead airborne. You're breathing that in, and the potential lead exposure is what it's talking about over here. So yeah, I mean, you can shoot it, but it's not good for you. Use your firearm only for legal purposes. Well, yeah. Safe carrying and transport, safe storage, safe handling. When's he gonna talk about use correct ammunition. Yeah. Locking your firearm. Where's it going to talk about the specs? I want to know the specs. So it's JR. Okay. Features on the JR carbine. Its weight, alright, so it weighs 6.5 pounds, 7.5 pounds, depending on configuration. So it's the 16-inch. The length, a 17-inch barrel. Maybe, yeah, I got the 16-inch barrel. Caliber, multi-caliber. Oh, okay, so you can swap out the barrel and the bolt, and it could be 10 mil or 9 mil. Operation, semi-automatic, direct blowback. Lubrication, very little required. Feeding, magazine fed. Finish, hard coat, anodized on aluminum, black oxide, or parkerization on steel. Cerakote or hydro dip camo available. So they do have a camo available. Maintenance. Never disassemble your firearm beyond the field stripping procedure outlined in this manual. Improper disassembly or reassembly of your firearm may be dangerous and can lead to serious injury or death. Yeah, you don't want to mess around with firearms. Like, know what you're doing, and if you don't, reach out to somebody that does. Alright, so here we got, here's components, the list of components and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can pause the video here and take a gander at the goods. You got barrel, retainer, firing pin, firing spring, fire control group, which is the lower, takedown screws. Okay, so it's on the takedown screws. It's got 3 screws to separate the upper from the lower. You see right there, 1, 2, 3. So they're screws, not pins, like on an actual AR. Buffers. Okay, so you can swap out the buffers. Get out of here, Luna. So, let's see. 13-inch M-lock and barrel nut. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn the page. Handguard options. This, I think the page is stuck good. Nope. Alright, cool. Sub-assemblies. I need to find a muzzle brake or a some kind of muzzle device for it. It's threaded. The barrel's threaded, which I mean most AR barrels are threaded anyways. Trying to see. Fire control drill, bolt, charge handle, magma assembly. Sorry. I know this is so entertaining. I'm just looking over this stuff for you guys. Bolt extension. Bolt head. Okay, so it just basically breaks everything down. Charging direction or ejection. Yeah, you can change which side it ejects from and which side the charging bolt is on. Cleaning. Okay, so they just took a sticker and put it in there on the measurements. Alright, what's the muzzle brake? Barrel thread protector. Why doesn't it have the dimensions on there so I know what's... Oh well. Sorry if the dog's barking. Oh yeah, here we go. 45 ACP. Spade. Buffer length for the 45 ACP is 4.75 lead filled. Okay. Tube inside length 9 inches. So this tube right here is 9 inches, and the buffer is 4.75. Thumb screw. Okay, so I can swap out the buffer tube and maybe get. Ooh, that's what I'll do. I will get a. Because I wonder. Yeah, I'll get one of those folding butt stocks. That'd be cool. Especially since it's 45. Limited lifetime warranty. We'll look at that later. Warranty registration. Oh, I didn't do this. Specifies for your JR carbine. All right, y'all. So that's it. This is the Just Right 45 ACP carbine or carbine. I don't. Carbine just sounds normal to me. I've always heard carbine or carbine. Carbine just sounds weird. Works back. That's a pretty long length to pull. Yeah, I like it. I like it there because you know it's for tight 45 ACP. You know what I mean? So I actually got a drum mag for it. So I think this is 13 rounds. So yeah, sorry California. And you gotta check out 1791. This mat really saves me an ass whooping from the wife getting her table scuffed up. I got my knives and stuff in the EDC tray. So yeah, range video coming soon.